This is St. Joseph Catholic Church, Taye Taiwo Road, Kaduna, where we installed our church bell, 1200 watts church bell. Installation process for the bell. Already the bracket for the speakers has been made. So the next thing now is to install the speakers. We install the hot speakers. Work is still ongoing.